In this video, I will walk you through an in-depth CryptoRush review to answer the ultimate question: can you withdraw your winnings? When comparing CryptoRush to traditional fiat-based betting sites, the standout contrast is the speed and simplicity of their crypto-first approach. While standard platforms often make you jump through hoops with bank verifications, this review highlights a process that is designed to be fast, safe, and hassle-free. The core trade-off here is between established legacy brands and this modern crypto-first platform. If you value a massive game library and multi-device support, CryptoRush holds its own with a 94% payout percentage and over 100 game titles including slots, table games, and live games. In comparing the withdrawal experience specifically, the standout feature is the efficiency. To cash out, you simply navigate to the wallet, select your preferred cryptocurrency, and enter the amount. This direct path contrasts sharply with more complex operators. A key detail to remember is that while the platform is highly accessible, it does hold a reputable license to ensure security. However, always check the minimum and maximum withdrawal limits, as these can vary based on the specific coin you are using. Choosing this over a traditional site means you are prioritizing quick digital transfers over standard banking delays. If you are looking for an instant win or a jackpot experience that doesn't get stuck in a 3-day processing queue, this platform makes a very strong case for itself. Thanks for watching this review of the withdrawal process. If you found this comparison helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest gaming platforms. Let me know in the comments if you prefer crypto or fiat for your payouts.